In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion and inversion with the TheraBand, and we're going to be doing this as a 2-in-1 exercise, so both at the same time. So firstly, what is plantar flexion? Well, plantar flexion is when we bring the foot into a downwards facing position, pointing the toes away from the body. And inversion is pointing the toes towards the midline of the body, or in this case, me towards the camera. So how can I do this with the band? Well, I'm going to bring the band into a position wrapped around the forefoot. I'm going to start to apply pressure, and I'm going to come into plantar flexion and then inversion. Back to center, plantar flexion, inversion. What you can also do if you want to focus more on the inversion part is you can come out to the side. Again, I'm going to get plantar flexion, but now because I'm at the side, I'm going to get a harder inversion because there's more resistance coming the opposite way. If you want true inversion, you would bring your hand to the side, and then that is going to be the hardest that you can get the inversion. You can, of course, do them in two separate motions, so you can do your plantar flexion, stay in plantar flexion, and then come and do inversion, come back, up and up. However, you can also, if that's too difficult, just start off with your plantar flexion, inversion, and like so.